Welcome to ILIFE India's YouTube channel. Today, we will be looking into the complete demonstration of the ILIFE A20 Pro, an advanced robotic vacuum cleaner with powerful suction of 6,500 Pascal. Its high technology features and design clean your home effortlessly. First, let us take a look at what we get in package content. A charging dock, a cleaning tool and an extra HEPA filter, a mopping cloth with a base attached, a charging adapter, 2 side brushes, 2-in-1 dust and water tank, and a user manual. Now let's see and learn how to maintain the robot. There are 3 cliff sensors on the left, center, and right, as well as charge pins. Take a tissue or a clean dry cloth and wipe them if there is any dust. This is a side brush. Hold it, pull it out. Sometimes hair gets tangled here, so clean it and put it back. This is a nose wheel. It can also be cleaned easily if there is any hair or particles stuck in it. Remove the roller brush cover like this. It is washable, but make sure that it is completely dry before reusing it. This is a 2-in-1 floating roller brush. Clean it with a cleaning tool if there is any dust or hair tangled in it. Clean the wheels like this. Repeat this cleaning process once a week for better performance of your robot. Let's proceed with the dust tank cleaning process. For mopping, open the lid and pour the clean water. Do not use any disinfectant like Dettol or Lysol. Open the dust tank and use a cleaning tool to clean it. Avoid using any water during this process. Here you can see a HEPA filter. Tap it twice on the floor to clean it. This is a sponge filter. They are non-washable. You have to replace them every 3 to 4 months. To enhance the robot's overall performance, do this cleaning process every week. This is a mopping cloth attached to the base with Velcro. It is washable. Let's see how to charge the robot. Connect the adapter with the charging dock like this and ensure that the charging dock is not surrounded by any object within 1 to 2 feet of it. Charge the robot 8 to 9 hours for the first time to maximize battery life. Connecting the ILIFE robot to the ILIFE Clean app. First, download the ILIFE Clean app, register, and log in with your credentials. Now click on Add Device, turn on Bluetooth, and select ILIFE Clean. Connect your Wi-Fi and make sure it should be a 2.4 GHz network. Turn on the robot. Pressing the power and home buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds until you hear confirm Wi-Fi is blinking. Next, click on Go to Connect. Connect a smart Wi-Fi network. Go back to the application. ILIFE A20 Pro connected. This is the interface. Here you see the map. You can customize your home cleaning in 4 different ways. Smart cleaning, pose for where to sweep, pin, and select an area or room to sweep a certain area. Room, to clean in an order, you can also increase or decrease the sweep count for each space. Zone cleaning, create a square to clean a specific area. Tap on Forbidden Edit and create a yellow square for the mop restricted area and a red square for the no-go zone area for the robot. Additionally, drag and create a virtual wall to restrict robot from going into a particular area. Click on Room Edit. It enables more customization options like merge, split, and name the room as per the requirement. Cleaning plan. For only mop, close suction level. For only sweep, close water level. And for both mop and sweep, adjust the suction and water level accordingly. Additionally, you can create Plan 1 and Plan 2 for more tailored performance. This allows you to personalize your cleaning in respect to suction, water level, order, and frequency for each room. Map Manage. Here you can save up to 5 different maps. Click on Setting, Manual to control the robot manually. Robot settings, breakpoint continuous scanning. While the battery gets low, the robot stops cleaning, gets back to the charging station, and after it is fully charged, it resumes cleaning in the same position. Do not disturb, turn it on if you don't want the robot to clean at a specific time. Turn on the Y-Mop option for efficient cleaning. Carpet Supercharged allows the robot to sense the carpet and increase the suction power for deep cleaning. Cleaning efficiency for careful, normal or fast cleaning. Unit conversion to set the area of cleaning in meter square or square feet. Map Manage. Here you can save up to 5 different maps. Looking for the machine to find the robot. Customize your cleaning schedule by adjusting time, days, order, zone, cleaning path, frequency, and many more as per your requirement. Voice and volume. Here you can control the voice of the robot and also change the language. Record. Here you can check the detailed cleaning history of the robot. Consumables management. To check and maintain the parts of the robot. Once they get below 20%, replace the parts. To connect with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, click on the I button or check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. For any queries, call us at the toll-free number mentioned in the description.